In recent months, a trend has emerged of introducing flying cars.
Following Uber's initiative of a flying taxi service and Geely buying Terrafu in recent months, a trend has emerged of introducing flying cars. Following Uber's initiative of a flying taxi service and Geely buying Terrafu, the Samson Switchblade has emerged, set for a 2018 release date.
No, the Samson Switchblade is not a new brand of men's razors.
It is a two-door, three-wheeled, extendable light aircraft with a maximum airspeed of 190 miles per hour.
Whilst on the ground, its top speed exceeds 100 miles per hour.
It will be around the same size as a standard Mercedes-Benz S-Class but without the class.
With the help of a 190 bhp liquid-cooled 1.6-liter V4, at 80 miles per hour the car will take off naturally once the wings are extended. Takeoff and landing distances are 335 meters and 488 meters, so it's not exactly viable for road takeoffs, even on quiet days. Obviously, it will require a driving license for road use, but a private pilot's license is also needed, which will take you around 60 hours.
%51% of it must also be built by the owner, and if you want Samson's assistance it will cost another 3 weeks at a Samson Build Assist Center and £15,000.
For increased in-flight comfort, standard kit on the Switchblade includes a premium sound system, a digital display, reversing camera and leather seats.
Standard safety equipment includes disc brakes, crumple zones and rollover protection, but also a parachute should the worst happen when you're in the air.
If you're willing to spend £90,000, then you can join the 240 people who have already reserved a version of the Switchblade. The Samson Switchblade has emerged, set for a 2018 release date.